I think that on average, people working on Agile teams tend to be happier than those who do not work on Agile teams. I have a first-hand evidence from my own situation. A long time ago, when I was CIO, I introduced Scrum and Agile practices in the organization. And the turnover in my part of the organization went down from 16-17% to nearly zero. People didn't quit their jobs anymore. They were enjoying their jobs more. Why? I believe because I offered them more freedom, more autonomy. I made them responsible for the planning. I made them responsible for discussing features with the clients, with the product owners. And I think a number of practices and principles that you see as part of the Agile movement are directly tied into happiness of people, offering them freedom, a chance to grow, a sense of purpose. Purpose is also a big thing within the Agile in the Agile world. Why are we building these features? What is the goal, the objective of the next sprint in Scrum? What is the vision behind this product, etc. People need to believe in that purpose, because that sense making also helps them be happier and enjoy their jobs more. So yes, I think there is a correlation between happiness and Agile teams, for sure. So in answer to the question, how will work change in the next decade or more? Will Agile still exist? I get that question every now and then. Then I think, well, maybe as a term, Agile might cease to exist at some point. Why? Because it will be normal. It will be the new normal. There will be no other way than doing things the Agile way. When I look at how the younger generations now use social media, organize parties, whatever, that is completely different from how we did things when I was young, long time ago. And I see a lot of agility. They're completely used to things changing around them all the time, and they are much more adaptive and adaptable. The younger people. So I do not believe that in 10 years' time we will still be sending people to two-day classes to learn how to be a self-organizing Scrum team. I don't think that makes any sense in the future. Like in the 90s, I was part of the industry that taught people how to use Microsoft Word and how to use Microsoft Windows. And there were people sent to 2-day and 3-day classes, sit behind the computer and learn how the file menu worked and things like that, because we had to explain this. It was a completely new paradigm for people. So obviously everyone had to be sent to courses. But nobody does that anymore because it is normal. So that's why I think in the future we will not be having 2-day Scrum classes anymore, but Agile will be completely normal, in my opinion, and I look forward to that.